Alright, got my hands on a set of DJI mics that I just purchased. Comes with this nice little pouch. Yeah, so we're gonna take the mic out of the case now. This nice little charging case that keeps both mics nice and snug. Comes with one receiver and two transmitters for dual recording. This little magnet on the back that is used to pin on your clothes so you can hide it under your shirt. I like the aesthetics of this mic. So this is everything that comes in the package: your phone connections, your camera connections, USB-C for charging. So yeah, this is a DJI mic, and everything you're hearing right now is recorded on this mic.